Hey, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a quick video today. It's really wet out. The trails have been pretty well soaked. So we're just going to go ride a bike down my driveway. Well, you'll see what's in store. Alright, see you in a minute. Alright, here we go. We had a lot of trees down, as you can see from that storm Tuesday. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the driveway. You can always get a quick, nice downhill run out of that. Anyways, hope you enjoy your day today. I'll have something fun for you next week. Alright, until next time.